Welcome to the Kaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable USB ports in your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your Start button right here and right click on it, and then just go to Device Manager. And from here, just expand this, and under everything, just at the bottom, you'll find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. This is basically the USB controllers. Just expand this. And from here, you can just go ahead on any device and right click on it and click on disable device, click on yes. It might ask for a restart, just give it some time and it will disable the device for you. And there you go, it has been disabled. As you can see, the icon here changed. Now, if you want to learn how to enable it, just right click on it and click on enable device. And there you go, the device has been enabled again. And basically that is how to do it. And make sure to restart your system after every change. And basically that is how to enable or disable USB ports on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.